Hi guys, this is Paul from TraderXp. I would like to welcome you to our platform. Okay, probably recently opened the account, so I'm here to give you the first explanation and to give you a brief lesson about trading. Okay, how basically to use the website for correct trading. Okay, so this is the website as you can see it. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to log into my personal account and we'll take it from there. Second, let's take a look. All right, so that's the account, that's the trading platform. Okay, I would like to go through some things with you, okay, so you will understand everything you're gonna use. Okay, let's start from these buttons on the top of the screen. Okay, the binary options, banking, asset index, market review, expiry rates, contact us, deposit. Okay, let's start from left to the right. Okay, we click on the binary options, and here you're gonna get the brief explanation about the binary options market. Okay, basically what it is and how it works. The second button is banking. Here you can see what kind of deposit and withdrawal methods we're using. Okay, very simple. You can use credit card, money bookers, all kind of debit cards, wire transfer, cashew. Okay, the next button is asset and index. This is actually very important because here you can find all the information about all of the assets you can trade, about the stocks we have in the platform, currencies, commodities, indices. Okay, so take a look on the first one, stocks. Okay, here by clicking on the stock, okay, you can find the information about the stock and the trading hours, okay, which is very important, okay, when the stock is available for trading. Okay, the same thing you can find about any other asset. Okay, now click on the expiry rules. Okay, here you can find the expiry explanations about, let's say, trade tool as one touch. Okay, as you know, the market is closed on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, but using the one touch tool, which I'm going to explain in the future, okay, you can open the trade through the weekend. Okay, so here's the rules about one touch general terms, okay, which you can read. All right, the next button is market review. Okay, actually we're sending the market review to you also by email to all of our clients. You can receive it on a daily basis, and the same market review you can find on our website. Okay, it's updated on a daily basis on the website. You can find the market news, news about the commodities, currencies, and the market events. Okay, the events that are going to actually affect the market, stocks and the currencies. Now, the next button is expiry rates. Okay, so if you're an active trader or you're going to open the trade, so you can find all of the expiry rates retroactive. Okay, so if you're not sure about some expiry rate or you open a couple of trades, so you can check it out right here. Okay, it shows you the expiry date, shows you the rate, the end. It's actually the expiry rate that the trade got expired. Okay, that it's ended, and the name of the asset. Okay, now the next section is contact us. Basically, you can through this section you can send the email to the customer support by filling out these fields. You can also reach us. These are the toll-free numbers for satellite offices. Okay, so if you're from the States, you can call the New York number or LA number, or if, I don't know, if you, for example, you're from South Africa or France, you can use these numbers. Okay, you can find also our address here in Limassol, Cyprus. Okay, and also direct telephone number, Cyprus telephone number. All right, and the next button is deposit. So if you would like to deposit funds or redeposit funds to make your account bigger, you can use also this button. Okay, actually, as you can see, I clicked on the deposit, so it took me straight away to my portfolio. Okay, so if you click on the portfolio or the deposit, is going to be the same result. Okay, so let's go through the portfolio. Okay, what basically, what does it mean? When you go in here, the first option you can see is my account, my options portfolio. Here you can see all of the trades you opened so far. Okay, so you can see here the ID, the trade ID. You can see the investment, how much money you actually put into the trade from your balance. Okay, you can see the balance over here. Okay, it stands right now on $91,000. Now you can see the asset, the name of the asset, execution date, when the trade was open in the hour, the rate that you got into the trade, the market rate, also the type, if you took it down or up, expiry date itself, okay, when the trade got expired, expiry rate, and the payout. You see I opened the trade on Nasdaq, I put 1,500 euros into the trade, and I got a payout of 2,550, so I won the trade. Okay, now the next one is deposit funds. As I told you, already explained to you, you can deposit some more funds. You can use, we have several options for deposit. We have a credit card. You can click and you can see it. You can also use a debit card, money bookers, wire transfer, Western Union, or Cashew. Okay, Cashew basically it's very similar to money bookers or PayPal. Okay, it's one of the options for you to deposit. Now, we have also four types of accounts here, which you can see. It's a bronze account, silver, gold, and platinum over here. Okay, so on the bronze account, when you're starting with the minimum, which we don't suggest to start with, you're not getting too much of assistance. Okay, because for a simple reason, because when you have a small amount of money in the account, it's very risky to trade. Okay, and our account managers, they're working only with the silver accounts. Okay, with only investment above $1,000 or 1,000 euros, or 1,000 units. So if you're opening a bronze account, you're getting monthly manager, okay, account manager monthly call. I mean, we're calling you once a month, and you're getting also the chat support. You're getting daily market review, weekly market review, and breaking financial news. Everything sent out by email. Okay, so basically we strongly recommend to start trading with the silver account, because more money you have in the account, the easier for you trading will be. Okay, the easier will be to trade. So if you're starting with a silver account, you're getting personal account manager, weekly call, okay, and you're getting 1 hour tutorial. Okay, you're getting TraderXp online course. Okay, it's 1 hour per week. It's one-on-one. It's over the telephone, over the Skype, or chat, as you wish. Depends what suits you. Okay, and you're getting all of the other services like on the bronze account: daily market review, weekly market review, and breaking financial news. All right. Now, if you want to upgrade your account and you want to take more advanced service from TraderXp and our senior brokers, so you take in the gold account. This is considered investment. Minimum is 5K, 5,000 units, up to 20,000. Okay, you're getting a senior broker, senior account manager, also TraderXp online course. Okay, so basically with a senior account manager, you can schedule for personal meetings. It could be more than once a week. It already depends on your personal relationship with your account manager. Also, you have a faster withdrawals, okay? Because usually on these two accounts, withdrawals takes between 5 to 10 business days. Okay, when you have in a gold account, it's very quickly. It's just 2 working days. Okay, and of course all of the services that you got before. Okay, and for our VIP clients or platinum accounts, we have an option to deposit 20K. Okay. $20,000, and basically here you're getting a personal trading conditions. So if anyone interested of opening VIP account, okay, you can contact our customer care department or one of our senior brokers, and they will explain they will explain all of the personal information, okay, that is required on the platinum account. Okay, now to contact us in real time, you can use this button of live chat. Okay, by clicking on live chat, you can get direct access to our chat support. You're just filling out your name, your email address, phone number. Okay, if you already have an account, you don't, start chat, and immediately somebody gonna take care about you. Okay, this is actually a very popular option. A lot of clients come in through live chat and getting support. Okay, so remember this button. Okay, now the next button in my account is withdraw request. Okay, so if you would like to take some money out, the profit, your own deposit, you just click on withdraw request, submitting the amount, withdrawal, and that's it. Okay, if you have a bronze or silver account, it's usually between 5 to 10 business days, like I explained before, and if it's a gold account or a platinum, it's only 2 days. Okay, the next one is the banking history. Here you can see all of your deposit and withdrawals so far, and your personal information over here. Okay, so you can see your email, your name, okay, your contact details. Here you can also change your password. Okay, if you would like to reset the password, it's very easy. Okay, now so I would like to go back right now to the main screen. I would like to go out of my portfolio, so I click on back to trading. It's going to take me back to the main screen of the website. Alright, so let's go basically to trading. Okay, let's see how we can trade and how we can open the positions. So we have 4 options for trading: binary options, option builder, one touch, and 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to explain you about the first one, binary options, which is the most, it's the most popular option for trading. Okay, so I can trade indices, I can trade currencies, commodities, and stocks. Okay, so let's take an example on the most basic one, like euro against dollar. Okay, so I choose the asset, euro USD. Okay, what it shows me right here, it's the graph for euro USD. It shows me the price and the time scale on the bottom. Okay, it shows me also the trader choice. Okay, 40% of the traders took up and the 60% took down. Okay, now it shows me the market rate right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick up the trade. Okay, let's say we're analyzing the market, we predict the market movement, we think that the dollar will get stronger right now. Okay, the dollar will get stronger, so therefore we need to take dollar down. Okay, we need to, we have to press on the button put down. Okay, I'm choosing the expiry rate, the expiry time, sorry. By the way, all the time here, all the time scale, it's according to GMT. You can see the GMT clock over here. Okay, so all of the expiry times you see here, it's according to these hours, these clock, GMT hours. Okay, so I can open the trade till the end of the day. I can open the trade for 10th of August, 17th of August, next month, okay, 2 months forward, 2 months ahead, also, a lot of options to open the trade. Okay, so let's say I want to open the trade. The hour right now, it's almost 5 o'clock GMT time, and I want to take the trade to, let's say, 5:30. Okay, all right, so I think that at 5:30 the dollar will get stronger and this graph will go down. Okay, so I click on put. Now I have to choose how much money I would like to put into the trade out of my balance, out of here. Okay, it shows me the rate that I'm taking, the expiry date. Okay, I want to put, let's say, 1,000 euros into the trade. It automatically shows me a payout. It's 73% payout in case I'm winning, and if I'm losing, it's going to give me back 10% out of my investment into the trade. Okay, so I agree to that. I click apply. It gives me 3 seconds to change my mind. If I don't, the trade going to be executed. Okay, so you can see the open trade on the right side. Okay, it shows me the rate, the time scale. It shows me the rate that I open it. Okay, and till now, dollar getting stronger. You can see that this is the current rate. Okay, you see it's green because I'm in a profit. Shows me payout here. If I'm gonna be out of the money, so it's gonna be here and it's gonna be red color. Okay, right now we're going together with the market. The trend is our friend. Excellent. Okay, so I have a couple of options here inside the open positions. You have two tools, double up and roll over, which basically could be very, very useful for you in making more money. Okay, you can use a double up to open the same position, okay, on the same asset in the same direction. Okay, from the current rate that you click in, I mean the moment that you click on the button, is going to take the same rate, okay, in the same direction. And the rollover button, okay, how basically this button gonna help you. Okay, by clicking on the rollover, you can take position to the next expiry time. Okay, if we open it till 5:30 and you see that you're going to lose the trade, but you want to take it to the next expiry time because it could change the direction of the market, so it's going to take it to 6 o'clock to the next expiry time. Okay, but pay attention that you can use this tool at least 10 minutes before the expiration time. Okay, so if our expiration time is 5:30, so I can use rollover at least till 17:20, till 5:20. If it's going to be somewhere here, so you cannot use rollover anymore. Okay, so pay attention to this, and it's going to take 30% of the existing trade. That means it's going to take 30% of $1,000. It's going to take $300 or euros out of the balance, and it's going to add it to the trade in case you're using rollover. So it's better if you're going to have some amount of, decent amount of money here, so you can use it. Okay, by the way, you can use rollover only if you're losing. Okay, if you're in the money, like me right now, like I'm still winning the money, you cannot use rollover. Okay, it's only in case that you're losing. Okay, so I hope you get that. Okay, so you can open a lot of trades here. You can trade a lot of assets. You can trade also 60 seconds. Okay, it's actually something brand new added to the platform, and it's very short-term trades. Just open it for 1 minute. Okay, the minimum investment is 5 units. The maximum it's 100 units. Okay, you have here variety of assets to trade. Okay, and that's it. Okay, you can play with it. If you have any problem, you can contact our customer care department of one of our brokers. Okay, now one more thing I want to explain to you is also something brand new added to the platform. It's called XP Metagraphs. Okay, by opening the trade right here in the XP Metagraphs, you have option that we added to the platform called Buy Me Out. Okay, that means you can close the trade at any existing time. It doesn't matter if you are in the profit or you're losing currently. You can close the trade before the expiry time. Okay, which sometimes could be very useful. Okay, however, it's gonna take some percentage out of the trade. Okay, so you're not gonna get a full refund of the trade or the full profit, but it depends on the asset. Okay, and pay attention that Buy Me Out tool available only if you open the trade through the Metagraph. Okay, let's say if you open the trade regularly from binary options or from 60 seconds or any other tool, you won't be able to use the tool Buy Me Out. So you have to open the trade from here, from XP Metagraphs, to use this tool. Okay, now what I would like to do right now is to explain you something else. Okay, you can take basically the video tour, okay, on our website. There is a nice lady going to explain you about the... One second. One moment. Okay, so you can take a video tour by clicking here. Okay, if you're going to how to trade. Okay, so you can get a video tour by click on the button here. You're going to see a nice lady explaining you about the platform. Okay, we have it in a few languages. Okay, maybe later. Okay, but you got the point. You can use your help. Also, there is another button of live chat, which going to take you to the live chat. If you don't understand something, you want to have more information about the trading, you can use our chat services from our brokers to explain it to you. And what we have left here, let's take a look. I think we're done. Okay, so I hope I did my job. You have more information about the trading right now. Okay, like I said before, if you need any other assistance, you can use the chat button over here. You can use the phone through the contact us section. Okay, you can contact us anytime and we're gonna assist you in trading. And that was Paul from TraderXp. So it was a pleasure spending time with you. Okay, and thank you very much. Okay, and I wish you successful trading. Thank you. Bye bye.